see that number one, where do you think you are at?
Holiday.
We're here at the Holiday Inn here in Hannibal, Missouri. And we got an Otis. Probably newer Series 2.
Going up.
Yep, I'm right. Newer Series 2.
Fourth floor. Going down. Going down.
No.
Going down.
MRL panel.
Going down. Going down.
This is a basic elevator. It looks very nice though. I like it.
First floor. Going up.
Going up.
Fourth floor. Going down. Going down. Going down. Third floor. Going down. Second floor.
Going down?
Going down.
We're going down to one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good, how are you guys doing?
We're doing good. How are you?
Good, great.
Good.
First floor.
Well, please, after you.
Okay.
Going up.
Going up. Before I end the video, I'm going to show you guys what the outside looks like. It's definitely a very nice hotel, you can see.
Oh, yes. Very nice.
There it is. The sign right there. There it is. The Holiday Inn Breakfast Suites. And there's the gas station where we come through. Or should I say, we came through. And the sun is blocking it.
There.
There we go. Thank you. And I guess with that being said, that's it.